Are you ready to take a delicious journey around the world? Today, we will explore traditional family recipes that have been passed down for generations. From the warm kitchens of Italy to the spicy streets of India, and from the cozy homes of Japan to the rich flavors of Mexico, each recipe tells a story of love, culture, and tradition. So grab your apron, open your heart, and let's taste the world together. The power of traditional recipes. Traditional family recipes are not just about food, they are about memories, love, and history. These recipes connect generations. Grandparents teach parents, and parents teach children. Each dish carries a piece of culture, a taste of the past, and a story that lives on every time it is cooked. Italy, pasta al pomodoro. In Italy, food is family. One of the most loved recipes is pasta al pomodoro. This dish is simple and full of flavor. It uses fresh tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, basil, pasta. Families often make this meal on Sundays. Children help by washing the tomatoes or sprinkling the cheese. The smell of tomatoes cooking in olive oil fills the home with comfort. Cooking method: boil pasta until soft but firm. Cook fresh tomatoes with garlic and olive oil. Add basil and a little salt. Mix the pasta with the sauce and sprinkle cheese. This dish shows how Italian families value simplicity and freshness. India, chicken curry. Indian chickens are full of spices and rich aromas. Chicken curry is a dish many families love to prepare together. It combines chicken, onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and a mix of spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Cooking method: fry onions until golden. Add garlic, ginger, and spices. Add chicken pieces and cook until tender. Pour tomato puree and simmer until the sauce thickens. Families in India often enjoy this curry with rice and bread called chapati. It is a symbol of warmth and togetherness, often made during family gatherings. Japan, miso soup. In Japan, miso soup is a classic recipe enjoyed almost daily. It is light, healthy, and full of nutrients. The main ingredients are miso paste, tofu, seaweed, and green onions. Cooking method: heat water and add miso paste. Add tofu cubes and seaweed. Sprinkle chopped green onions before serving. Japanese families often start their day with this soup. It represents health, balance, and harmony in family life. Mexico tacos. Tacos are more than just a meal in Mexico, they are a celebration. Families gather to make tacos with different fillings such as beef, chicken, beans, or vegetables. Cooking method: cook the chosen filling with spices and onions. Warm corn tortillas, add filling, salsa, and cheese. Tacos are fun because each family member can create their own version. It is a dish that shows creativity and sharing. France, ratatouille. Ratatouille is a famous French dish made from French vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, peppers, and tomatoes. It is a healthy and colorful recipe. Cooking method: chop all vegetables, cook them slowly with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Simmer until soft and serve warm. This dish is often cooked during summer when vegetables are fresh. French families enjoy it with bread or rice. It represents patience and the beauty of seasonal cooking. Pakistan biryani. Biryani is a rich, aromatic rice dish loved across Pakistan. It includes basmati rice, meat, chicken, mutton, or beef, yogurt, onions, and a blend of spices. Cooking method: marinate meat with yogurt and spices. Cook rice until half done. Layer the meat and rice, then steam cook together. Biryani is made for weddings, festivals, and special family dinners. It is a dish that brings everyone to the table. USA, apple pie. The saying goes, the American as apple pie. This dessert is symbol of American family tradition. Cooking method: prepare a pie crust. Slice apples and mix with sugar, cinnamon, and lemon juice. Fill the crust, cover with another layer of dough and bake. Families often bake apple pie for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It is a dish full of sweetness and nostalgia. Middle East, hummus with pita bread. Hummus is a smooth chickpea spread with that is loved across the Middle East. It is eaten with pita bread, vegetables, or even as a side dish. Cooking method: blend chicken fish with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Add olive oil on top before serving. Hummus is a healthy and easy recipe that shows the hospitality and generosity of Middle Eastern culture. China dumplings. Chinese dumplings are a symbol of luck and wealth, especially during the Lunar New Year. Cooking method: fill dough wrappers with the minced meat or vegetables. Fold and seal, steam, boil, or fry them. Making dumplings is a family event where everyone participates. It represents unity and blessings for the future. The importance of sharing these recipes. Traditional recipes do more than satisfy hunger. They connect families, preserve culture, and teach children about their roots. When we cook these dishes, We keep history alive. We share not only food but also love and respect for our ancestors. In today's fast moving world, many people are forgetting these recipes. That is why it is important to cook them, share them, and pass them on. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful trip around the globe. We hope these traditional family recipes inspired you to bring old memories back to life in your kitchen. Which recipe will you try first? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty stories from every corner of the world. Until next time, keep cooking with the love and sharing with your family.